Welcome friends, I hope you are good and doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how to create FaucetPay account. So without wasting any time, let's move to our topic video. So here is a link. I will provide you link in description. So don't be worried. You can click on description and check the link. Here the website is open. Without wasting any time, you click on three dots. Okay, click on this and you need to be sign up, because if you have already account you need to be sign in. Because I don't have account, so I need to be sign up. I'm gonna to sign up. After this I'll filling this information: username, email address, password. After I need to be accepted its terms and conditions. So I gonna fill this and I'll be back right now. So I have filled these all information. Now I'm gonna to sign up now. It's gonna to be sign up. The username should not contain any special character, or they are saying that you need to be use special character. So I gonna to use special character and will be back. Okay, I am successfully to create my account, so I'm going to log in. So here is my username. I use these special characters 786 and you can also use these special characters if you are traveling into setting the username. So I'm gonna to choose motorcycle. After that I'll be verified, so we sign in. So make sure that correct page FaucetPay. You don't have official mobile or desktop application. You have not confirmed your okay. Oh, they are saying that you need to be confirm your email. So I'll back right now.